pag-usapan natin.
Ito para kay Diego, kay Reggie, at saka kay Jun Suriao, at saka kay William to, tsaka kay Kong, tsaka kay Kuya. Yan. Tsaka kay Direk, ayun no.
Arthritis.
Lalo kay Direk.
Lalo kay Direk, good morning!
Special morning, Direk.
Oh, arthritis. Ano nga ba ang arthritis,
Ano nga
Doc?
ba ang arthritis? Ano ba, okay.
Ano ba
Babalik
talaga
ko sa
siya?
inyo yung tanong, ano bang perception nyo ng arthritis?
Ako ang alam ko dyan since yung sa experience ko dyan kay Diego, uric acid. Kaya siya
Okay.
nagkaka-arthritis.
O, ikaw,
At saka
ano?
hindi lang lalaki ang nagkaka-arthritis, pati mga babae.
Correct.
Lumalaki yung mga joint-joints.
Oo.
Ako yun, sakit sa joints. Ako,
Inflammation of joints.
Good job. Eh, hindi, science yan eh.
may kinalaman ba sa age? Ang alam ko kasi ang mga
Okay.
nagkaka-arthritis yung mga tumatanda na.
Oo. All of those are correct, no? But basically, gusto ko i-break down natin. Pag sinabi mong arthritis, arthro in Latin is actually joint. So it can be the fingers, the wrists, the elbow, the neck, the hip, the knee, the ankle, the foot, no? And then itis in medicine is inflammation. So it can be, it is an inflammation of any of the joints in the body. So basta sinabi mo arthritis, it's an inflammation of the joint. Now, ang problema kasi is pag tinagalog natin yung arthritis, sa Pilipino, rheuma siya. When in fact, rheuma is only one kind of arthritis. There are several kinds of arthritis. Ito yung sinasabi ko palagi, no? Yung inflammatory type, non-inflammatory type, infective type, tsaka meron yung hemorrhagic type, no? So the inflammatory type would be itong nasa TV screens natin ngayon. This is rheumatoid arthritis. Yan yung tinatawag natin na swan neck deformities ng hands, no? So makikita nyo na pag rheumatoid arthritis, ito yung sinasabi naman ni Angel din na hindi lang puro lalaki, mas maraming babae and at younger age group pag rheumatoid arthritis. Now, yung cause ng rheumatoid arthritis, it's more genetic factors kasi. So, it is immunologic. So, your own body is parang creating nagre-react siya dun sa sarili niya. Nagkakos ng synovitis na tinatawag natin. Synovitis or synovium is yung soft tissues in the joints. So, namamaga siya. Now, rheumatoid arthritis is a systemic disease. Just like gouty arthritis, which is another form of inflammatory type. Yung gout naman, this is because of hindi na i-excrete yung uric acid. So, natitira yung uric acid in the body. It causes deposition of crystals in the different joints in your body naman. Ngayon, yung isang type naman, which is the most common, osteoarthritis. Ang osteoarthritis, lahat tayo predisposed. Kasi this is wear and tear of the joint. So what happens naman, because we use our joints every day for how many years, nag-a-abrade yung cartilage natin, no? Yung cartilage is the covering of the joints, which basically makes your joints move frictionless. Now, if you overuse it or because of wear and tear nga, nagkakaroon siya ng abrasion, nagkakaroon siya ngayon ng bony reaction, nagpe-pain tayo, nagsuswelling siya. Ang normal reaction kasi ng body, pag naubusan ng cartilage doon, masakit siya, sasabihin ng katawan mo, ay may masakit, lagyan natin ng tubig para maging frictionless siya ulit. So, namamaga ngayon yung tuhod natin. So, yun yung osteoarthritis. Yung isang type naman, infective, which is basically, nagkaroon ka ng, let's say, pulmonary infection or urinary tract infection, tapos nagsiseed siya in one of the joints in your body, it causes infection or tinatawag nating septic arthritis. Yung hemorrhagic type naman, ito yung may mga, say, sickle cell anemia, yung mga ganyan na, yung mga blood dyscrasias, tapos nagkakaroon din ng reaction, yung joints nila, nagkakos din siya ng arthritis.
Yung septic arthritis na sinasabi mo, yan yung dinidrain nila eh. Kasi
Yes,
ba
you have
lumalaki?
to drain that kasi pag ni mo siya dinrain, yung kinakain niya yung joint mo. And irreversible ang
Pwede ba yung
change nun.
lumipat?
Pwede kasi siyang hindi sa lilipat siya, pero kakalat siya or posible na mag-worsen yung infection. And as that word implies, pag sepsis na kasi, worse na yung infection nun. So, sometimes you end up cutting the leg of the patient.
Para hindi na tuluyang
Oo,
kumalat.
kasi it may also cause death. Kaya kailangan, actually, septic arthritis is one of the orthopedic emergencies. We really have to do surgery on that na. Kasi nga, otherwise, irreversible.
Dun sa mga nabanggit mo, Doc Janice, na mga iba't ibang klase ng arthritis, alin doon ang treatable, alin doon ang manageable,
Lahat, okay.
alin doon ang pwedeng iwasan?
Okay, medyo mahirap yung question mo. Let's just say that pag may arthritis, once you're diagnosed with arthritis, you will forever have arthritis. Okay? Yun yung
So,
yun yung
management
talaga.
lang. Management
Except
lang.
yung septic type. Kasi pag nalinis
Infection lang
mo
naman
siya,
siya eh, oo.
nag-treat mo yung infection, mawawala na siya.
Okay na.
Oo. So that I think that's the only treatable type. Because the others, it's more symptomatic. Or you can treat it by doing joint replacements.
Wow.
Oo. Ngayon, yung dun sa gout naman, kailangan may diet and lifestyle modification talaga siya.
Iwas uric acid.
Oo. Yung rheumatoid type naman, meron tayong tinatawag na disease-modifying agents para siyang chemotherapy drugs na nagpapababa ng immunologic reaction mo. So, basically, you just control the disease, but you still have it, and eventually, it may flare up.
Doc, what brings about yung pagkakaroon ng arthritis po? Does it come in with your genes, ganyan,
It
or with the
can.
food, or with the
It
environment,
can.
lifestyle?
So, all of that pwede. Kasi katulad na nung sinasabi ko, yung gouty type, it's inherited, it's genetic. Rheumatoid type, ganun din. Yung osteoarthritis naman, it's wear and tear. The septic, well, it's because nagkaroon ka ng infection in one part of the body and that's what caused it. So, yun yung mga different causes
So,
niya.
isa ba sa pwedeng cause yung pagiging overweight? Since we're talking about
Oo.
joints, di ba?
Yes, when you're overweight, it's more the osteoarthritic type. Kasi you put a lot of stress in your joints. And actually, yun yung unang-una kong sinasabi sa mga pasyente na dumarating sa akin na dinadiagnose ko na osteoarthritis. Sabihin ko, you have to cut down some weight. Siyempre, you say it in a very nice way naman. And sometimes they volunteer na that, Doc, I need to lose weight, no? Kasi nafe-feel nila na I started feeling the pain when I started putting on weight. Oo.
Doc, there's a lot of supplements available
Yes.
now, di ba? Claiming most of them talagang it can help osteoporosis and all that. And they're
Okay.
saying naman din na yung iba naman sinasabi nilang kailangan maaga pa lang inaayos mo na
Yes.
yung buto
Oo.
mo. So does it mean na hindi rin sila masyadong favorable or
Okay.
Oo.
Osteoporosis is different, Ate Lynn, ha? The osteoporosis is mineralization ng bone yan. So, ito yung pagtigas ng buto. Different siya sa osteoarthritis. So, yung sinasabi na supplements for osteoporosis, which is calcium and vitamin D, they do work.
They do work.
Now, when we go to the glucosamine sulfate, chondroitin sulfate, actually conflicting yung studies, no? May mga studies that say they work, may mga studies na they say para lang siyang placebo, parang wala. Pero sa experience ko, I have patients who swear by it. I don't know if it's because they believe in the medication or if they believe in the doctor or if they believe in the person prescribing it to them or if they believe dun sa kapitbahay nila na nagbigay sa kanila ng gamot. But some, they would really swear by it na once I started taking this and it's really good, my pain was gone, ganyan. It's working. Now, meron naman ding iba, Doc, 6 months ko nang tinitake, parang wala
Wala
naman.
rin.
So I think it also has to do with number one, the stage of the arthritis. How advanced it is. Kasi obviously, if it's a grade 4 or stage 4, wag mo nang asahang mag-work pa yung vitamins at supplements mo. Pero kung bata yung pasyente mo, hindi naman ganun kasama or kalala yung arthritis niya, then there's a chance pa rin na it will work. Actually, ngayon, alam nyo, even the NBA players, ini-injecta na nila ng mga glucosamine chondroitin viscosupplementation.
That's for management ba? Or for
Some
prevention?
of them prevention.
Prevention.
Some of them prevention. Some of them, they start feeling something in the joint, then they go for the injection for whatever it's worth.
Walang possible complications yun in the
Well,
future.
obviously, wala naman ganun. Pero siyempre, kung may allergy ka dun sa content ng gamot, hindi mo siya dapat.
Yung
ininom.
overdosage, sorry po,
sige.
yung overdosage nun, may mga ganun. Kasi may mga iba na talaga nagsa-self-medication when it comes to like that.
Meron siyang mga ibang adverse effects. But the most common, that's the thing kasi, we usually just give 1,500 milligrams a day maximum. So, may mga iba na they go over.
Yeah.
Although let's just say limited naman yung reports ng mga adverse events or yung mga talagang reactions nila. But it also has something to do with the liver function, ganyan. Pag nare-reverse naman, they stop taking the medication for some time.
Doc, tanong ko, totoo o myth lang? Yung pagpapaputok daw ng knuckles. Ako nagpapaputok kasi ako. Nakakataba daw ng ganun at nakaka-cause ng rheuma. Is that
Okay.
true?
Sa akin kasi, I try to tell my patients to avoid it. The reason is because pinapagtama mo talaga siya eh. Pag pinagtatama mo kasi, you cause abrasion of the cartilage eh. So sa akin,
Wow.
I think it's true. So although I honestly, I will have to look
Wala
for
pa talagang
studies that say,
study.
oo.
But it's a
But
possibility.
for me, you avoid it na lang because you're causing injury eh.
So parang magiging ganun ba yung kamay namin, yung pinapakita sa photo kanina?
Rheumatoid yun.
Oo,
so,
hindi, iba yun.
not like that. Well, unless you have someone in the... If you tell me that your lola has hands like that,
Ganyan, no?
It runs in the
as in
genes.
ganyan talaga yung itsura, then
naman masyado.
baka.
May tendency.
Pero kung yung iba lang na medyo hindi lang diretso, yung medyo mataba lang ng konti, that's just the osteoarthritis type. Kasi this one is talagang classic.
Pag ganyan na yung kamay mo, yung rheumatoid ka, di ba? Meron bang pagpapabaya na nangyari? O talagang in the end, ganyan na mangyari sa'yo?
Pwede mo kasi itong makontrol eh. With yung sinasabi ko like na disease-modifying agent. So, maganda, makatch mo siya early on para mag-medicate.
Yung pag ganun ng stress ball, nakakatulong yun.
Kasi strengthening ng muscles. Intrinsic
Dok,
muscles.
anong age usually nakikita so we can prevent
Alam mo
it?
yung iba
Yung
kasi
mga
may
arthritis.
juvenile arthritis,
As
they
in?
young, very young, like 6 years old, 7 years old. Yun yung mga juvenile. Meron din naman yung iba, like I had a yoga classmate in her 30s. Talagang sinasabi niya na pag hindi siya nagme-medicate, talagang yung attacks niya halos hindi siya makakilos. So it's a very varied range depending on what kind of arthritis yung
Dok, yung weather, kasi ngayon minsan malamig, minsan mainit, and most of the time nagko-complain yung mga lola at lola
Yes,
natin
oo.
ng pain pagka malamig.
Pag
Is it
malamig.
real? Does it
Oo.
really...
What ang scientific na explanation nila dyan is bumabagsak kasi yung barometric pressure. So it's the atmosphere. Pag bumagsak yung barometric pressure, pumapasok sa katawan natin yung pressure. So nagsiswell ngayon yung mga joints. That's how they feel na, uy,
Doon nila nako-connect.
Oo, uulan kasi namamatay. Sumasakit yung tuhod ko. Oo, may mga ganyan. And some of us, we think, nung una, I was thinking, hindi totoo yan. Then sabi ko, sige na nga, maghanap na
Alam
ako
mo
ng
yung kasi...
Meron ngang mga, may nakita akong articles eh.
Totoo. Pero lang ako, i-share ko lang kasi yung kasi ni Diego, nagkaroon siya ng bakal dito. Ganun nga. For the longest time, siya yung weather forecaster ng family. Kasi she would feel na pagka iulan, kasi sumasakit na yung ganito niya. Ganun.
Kasi yung ang sinasabi nila is pag mataas yung barometric pressure, nagaganon yung katawan natin, even our joints. So walang chance na mag-swell siya. Pag bagsak yung pressure, nag-e-expand ngayon yung joints natin. So yun yung sinasabing scientific
Dok,
explanation.
di ba nakakatulong ng malaki yung exercising
Yes,
for yung bones natin strengthening? Sa arthritis ba, nakakatulong din ng malaki?
I
And
normally
how?
tell my patients, you have to maintain the range of motion. Kasi the pain is more from the stiffness of the muscles. So you do range of motion exercises. Kung tuhod or hip, I tell them to do stationary bike. Huwag na mag-jogging, huwag na mag-running kasi lalong nilalagay ng
sasakit.
stress. So mag-stationary bike tayo. Or meron na bibili ngayon yung para siyang box tas may pedal. So kahit anong
so
silya mo
pwede
lang,
yun.
kasi di ba yung mga lola hirap sila mag-balance sa stationary bike. So pwede kahit anong silya, bibilin mo lang yung box na may pedal, yun na yung gagamitin mo. And actually, very simple naman kasi ang range of motion exercises and some strengthening. So, kayang-kayang gawin sa bahay ng mga lolo't lola natin. Pag sinabi pong range of motion is kung ano yung kilos ng mga joints mo, yun lang gagawin mo. Like yung tuhod, gaganyan-ganyan mo siya.
Huwag mo ipo-force.
Sometimes kasi you feel a little bit stiffness, so hanggang saan yung kaya. Pero kasi, yun yung sinasabi ko nga sa mga pasyente, pag masakit, wag mong hindi galawin. Kasi pag hindi mo siya ginalaw, lalong maninigas.
Right.
Lalo
So,
siyang magpe-pain.
we have to expect it at first na medyo may pain.
May
tapos
konting
eventually,
stiffness.
mawawala din. Oo.
Ngayon, Doc, dun sa mga televiewers natin na talagang maraming pang tanong tungkol sa arthritis, isang kanila pwedeng makontak?
Nandito po ako sa UNTV studio every Tuesday. Tapos I also hold clinic in St. Luke's Medical Center, Global City, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And Healthway Festival Mall, Thursdays and Saturdays, 3 to 5 in the afternoon.
Can we say dun sa mga may mga arthritis na it's not yet the end of the world?
Yes, of course, it's not. Kasi actually, yun nga yung sinasabi ko. Tapos yung ibang pasyente sinasabi nila, sus, sa tanda kong to, operahan mo pa ako. Ang sinasagot ko sa kanila is, the surgery, the joint replacement surgery is really for elderly people. It's not for younger individuals. So, it's not the end of the world when you are diagnosed with arthritis. There are treatment options. You can have pain relievers, there's physical therapy, there's the injections, and then there's the surgery.
There's doctors like me. There are doctors
And
like
there's,
you.
yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ayan, alam na natin ang gagawin kapag nagkasakit tayo sa ating mga kasukaso.